Welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this hoe. Okay, guys, face is red. I have had a week. Like, one really great thing happened to me this week, and then 10 not so good things. So I'm trying to let that one thing, namaste, be the thing. But it is so hard when stuff is falling all around you. So, probably the camera angle and everything looks different. Camera wouldn't upload. I've tried to upload this video so many times, but, girl, she can't, she won't, she doesn't want to. So, I don't know. And then I did it, I tried to do it on my phone. That is a disaster. That happened 3 hours ago, and it's still trying to upload a long video on my phone. So, like, I then went back in. Turns out I had one of those little USB ports in the back of my computer that's, like, broken? I know nothing about computers. If the camera angle is cockeyed, and you know that I do that anyway without a broken camera. So, we're just going to press on. Yes, I got a wish list item that I have been wanting, probably that's been on my radar for well over 2 years. I have just been sort of like, oh, she'll always be available. I just won't buy her today because that thing's always available. I'll get it another day on the website. Yeah. This thing, I don't know what made me really try to buy it when it stopped being available. Anyhow, let me get into it and then I'll tell you actually where I did find it, because she gone. But yes, girl. Okay. So, I've already looked at this, opened this, and been into it and had to do some recon on it. So things aren't going right for me today, but you guys can see what it was. Surprise! It is the Noe pouch that has been on my radar for so long. Irene, who is fabulous, and also Gwenny did an unboxing of this. And okay, I really thought I bought this back when Gwenny bought it, because I'd put it in my cart like just the day before she did the video. I was like, I mean, that's why it shocked me so much. I was like, girl, I just bought this too. Turns out I actually didn't buy it. I did not pull the trigger in my ambient haze. But thankfully, I guess, I didn't. But I've just always thought, you know what? This thing's always available. I don't need to buy her right now. She's just old trusty. She's always going to be there. Okay, so a few weeks ago, she stopped being available, and she was sold out online, and that really got me to thinking, like, oh, have I missed her? What am I going to do? So I went on eBay, just like I always do. I went on eBay, and I found her from what I thought was a Japanese seller. Turns out it was a guy from China, had a little store. It's real and whatnot, but guess what? We have one horrible, I can't even get too close to it, horrible issue. It's a smell issue again, and it's not cigarettes. I wish that it was a cigarette problem, because I got the cigarettes out of that, the Tory Burch. This thing, however, girl, I can't even, it's mothballs. It is like, it's like someone opened a box. I guess mothballs come in a box, right? I haven't seen a box in, I don't know, since I lived with my grandmother 40 years ago. But it's like someone bought a fresh box of mothballs and opened her up and said, yep, that's what this bag needs. A whole box of, just sealed it up and stuck it down in here and sent it out, girl. Yes, that I can't even get too close to it. So you're saying, why don't you send it back? So I did complain, of course, me being the Karen that I am lately. I did tell the seller, like, you know, you didn't disclose it had a horrible smell of a grandma who's been gone a few years. I mean, it really does. It's just, it permeates from the bag. It's like, oh my God, put this thing in the garden, get rid of the snakes. Remember, that's an old wives' tale. Those of you old enough to know that about the garden. People used to put mothballs out there to keep snakes and things around, from getting around. But this thing, oh God, girl, it's heavy. So I have a bunch of these charcoal packs sealed into one of those. Well, I'll show it to you. I got a new quilt the other day, or bedspread. And I have been keeping silica gels plus my charcoal packs with this and the dust bag. This opened up down in here and then sealed up in this. That's been going on for 5 days. So when I got it, I could smell it from the packaging. Like before I even opened the box, I was like, oh, we've got an issue. So anyhow, contacted seller. He gave me some money back. It really wasn't enough to compensate, but I was like, money back? Okay. I swear to God, I'm such a cheap date. So anyhow, this thing, girl, the mothballs. It's just, I mean, even my hands after handling her smells like mothballs. That's a new ball on me. But anyhow, seriously, she's permeated. Okay, so on to this little, I mean, I love her. I think she's great. But yeah, the site just, oh, she's gone. You'll never get her again. So I was like, oh, hell. I'm going to have to find this somewhere else. I went ahead and attached the rings to now crossbody this, because that was my whole intention all along, and then other people found out about it too. So no, I really did think of that all. I was like, there's got to be a way, and there is. Irene actually is the one that I got these rings from her link, and I will link them for you from Amazon. But girl, they kind of pinch a little bit. They pinch open and closed. And I can't do it now because there's not enough room left. But I just pinched it on the open side of the hole and just inched it in. I didn't want to try it on camera because I knew it would be hard enough to do it. And then let alone people judging me. No, I knew it would take forever. And it did take a while. But I got them in there and I think it worked out very nice. This bag is actually from 2019, which is probably when my undying love for her started. So it's apropos. It did come with the little SKU cards. And I gotta tell you, I was a little put off by the fact that I think the guy did put something in the ad, said something about Japanese seller. And I was like, oh, well, I trust them with everything. And then when it came, the return address was China. And I was like, what? Because, you know, all of the unauthentic, inauthentic, not authentic, non-authentic bags usually come from there, right? The high dollar reps. So I was kind of, but, you know, she's the real deal. I might, just to calm my soul and calm myself down about it, because I've had a week, girl, I might get it authenticated, but I mean, this is a made in France, and the only thing about this bag, I love everything about it. It doesn't have a pocket. I guess because this is a makeup pouch or something, or a pouch that acts as a pocket down in your bag. But I want to carry it as a bag, and I guess I'm going to have to put an organizer in it. If you guys know what size organizer this thing takes, just let me know, girl. But I got to tell you, I love this, but I think I'm done with monogram. I mean, when is enough monogram? And if you are somebody that has 25, 30, 50 pieces of monogram, you do you, girl. I'm not going to poo-poo the idea. I'm just saying, for me, I think I have enough Louis Vuitton monogram. I'm going to branch out. I say that all the time, but I do have a Fashion File reserve piece. What is today? Girl, I need to get that within the next couple days. Woo! Don't tell the husband, but yeah, we do have a leather bag that is quite trendy and nice in reserve, but on reserve. So anyhow, I wanted to show you this little jewel. I like it that I can crossbody. It's kind of, these little rings are great. And trust me, I'm never going to take it out now because that was hard to get in there. But I think it works best with this khaki Louis Vuitton-esque strap. But I really want, like, my hopes and dreams and aspirations. I know I just said I'm not going to buy any more monogram. She's such a liar. But I really want a monogram guitar strap, the thicker ones, that has like this on the other side. Do they even make them? Probably. I'll have to hunt. But yeah, this one does, and she crossbodies nicely. I even tried this little strap on her once. She's an Amazon $7.99 deal. I'll link her, but yeah, she worked too, and the pink kind of did a good job there. So there you go. But these mothballs, oh girl, I am not the one, the two, or the three. All right, thanks for watching today. Listen, I have probably in the next few weeks, I'm going to do another vlog sale video. Some stuff that I didn't sell in my last one that I've been trying to sell because we're done with Mercari. Guys, I don't know how many times I can complain about it, but they canceled me. I was like wanting to be that girl that goes into a Facebook group and goes, okay, everybody, I'm leaving. But she canceled me first. Yeah, girl, believe it. So I could, not only did she cancel me, Mercari canceled me from selling, buying, but any linked accounts that I might have that they find out about it, they will promptly close those too. And what did I do? I tried to dispute a sale where a seller on there sold me a fake Tiffany bracelet. And I know it's fake. And I found out and I complained, but I'd already rated the guy because I thought at first it was real. Now I know it's not. Anyhow, my husband disputed the charge because he was like, they're not going to get over on us. They don't like that over there. And guys, Mercari does suck. Like, just don't mess with them. If you have good luck there, wow, I'm envious of you. But whew, how many times have I said, like, Mercari sucks, they did this. It's true, 100% they do. Stop, I just had to stop. Well, they made me stop now. I can't go on there even if I wanted to. This week has been crazy. It's been, yikes, but then one big sunshine moment. And I will be doing a video about that hopefully soon. Some good news happened this week, and I hope to share that with you coming up very, very soon. Those of you who see me on Instagram probably already know it. Neither here nor there. Guys, if you would, hit the like button. Hit that subscribe button. Comment down below. Tell me everything but one thing. Whoo, girl. Do not, if you see my husband, tell him nothing. Bye. Girl, some trying things. I got to clean up my karma or something, right? When things start to go a little fishy on me, I think, is it me? Am I doing something that is, you know, creating some crazy karma coming my way? Maybe. I got to clean that up. So hopefully I'm going to be nice and good.